Welcome to the UI UX course by Code Sprint.
In this video, we will be understanding FigJam file in detail. As we have discussed before, FigJam is a tool to brainstorm and organize ideas. And you don't need any prior experience with design software to get started with jamming. You can consider this as a digital whiteboard wherein you and your team can explore and discover new ideas. You can create user personas, make your competitive analysis tables, and document many other processes here, and then share this file with your team. Let's see how to share this file with your team. All you have to do is click on the share option, then type in the email of your team members, and you can either give them an edit or view access. And once you do that, you can just click on the invite option that will be enabled once you type the email. And that's how you can share it with your team. Now let's start by understanding this toolbar that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Coming from the left, here are a few options for you to, you can write here using a marker, you have a highlighter, you have a sticker and an eraser. Coming to the square options, this is a shapes area where you can insert many shapes like rectangles, circles, diamonds. So you can use this for mind mapping or to make some flowcharts. Coming to this is a sticky note over here. Let's start by using the sticky note. The shortcut key here is S. So I type on S and then just I insert it over here. So in order to zoom in, you just have to click on the plus button on your keyboard to zoom in. Sorry. Okay. You just have to click on the plus icon. And if you want to drag across the screen, you can just click on your space bar and click the left mouse button simultaneously to just drag through your screen. And you can click on your minus button on the keyboard to minimize it. So let's start by adding some random text. Let's say I want to use this stick note as a brainstorm a process. I can just click on write something, ideas in idea two. If I want to add bullet points, you can either use the bullet option numbered list or just a dot here. So this is how you can use your stickers. Now, if I want to create a flowchart, I can use this rectangle, the square over here, and type in some text. Let's say I want to use a circle. Now I'll just put my ellipse over here. So when I'm adjusting, you can see that the lines are telling me how to adjust this box on the screen. And to add arrow marks, you can either choose this connector or you can just press on X on your keyboard and you can directly make arrows to connect to the squares. You can also type in the text by either using the text option over here or by just pressing on T. But if you just press on the rectangle or the square or any of these shapes, you can directly type your content. And this bar over here allows you to change shapes. It also allows you to change colors and also tells you the kind of arrows that you want. You can change it to a solid or a dashed one. You can also change the font type and the font size as well. You can make it bold or normal. You can also select this text and you can cross it as well. So there are many options over here. You can add links. You can even change the alignment of the text. There are a lot of options that this provides you with. Again, coming back here, you have a stamp option over here. So let's say you're sharing this file with other people and one of your teammates has just suggested this ideas. And if you really like it, you can just click on this, drag it and put it over here to show your reaction. Now, as you can see that this stamp option is still available on my screen and I don't want it. So all you have to do is press on escape and then your arrow is back. Now I want to make another stick note to discuss my problems. So let me move this flowchart. I can just select it and just drag it to the right. Okay, now I will click on S to create a flowchart and place it over here. We'll name it as problems. So this could be the problems faced by my user or anything else. This is just a sample statement that I'm taking. Now I want to organize this better. So to do that, you have this option over here at the toolbar called as sections. So I can just drag it over the area that I want to separate, and let's give this name as ideas. So even if I have multiple sticky notes or flowcharts under this, so in order to duplicate, so let me just duplicate this and show you. In order to duplicate this, you just have to press on Control D and you get a duplicated sticky note over here. Which means when I'm looking at the screen, I have separated the ideas and I can use another section to separate out my problems. So you're basically designating areas on the canvas for better organization. Now that we've seen this, let's go back to the next tool. So this allows you to create a table. So I just place it over here and I can click on the plus option at the bottom to add more rows, and I can add more columns by pressing on this. So you can use this for competitive analysis or for any other documentation of your choice. Let's explore another option over here. So this more option allows you to search for different templates. So I've searched for user persona here. So I get some stickers, I have some templates like this. I have a user interview template, user journey map template. You can search for whatever you want over here. Let's try the user persona template over here. Okay. So when I use this template, we have some information as to what this template could be used for. Then we have some quick tips about the different shortcuts and helpful tools that could make the process of creating my user persona better. And then I can just change the text. I can give a name of my choice and use it however I want. Next, we also have this timer voting and music options. So you can use them when you're working together on teams. So this is a fun option to explore. Next, you can also search for templates using this option over here. So you have many things like meetings. So when you click on meetings, you have different meeting templates. You can directly just place it on the same file. You have diagrams, you have some planning tools and templates as well. Now, let's say I want to comment on one of the sections over here. So I click on this comment option, and once I do that, I can just type in the comment. Let's say this is approved, and I can just click on the send option, and that's it. So you can just hover over it to read the comment in detail, and you'll also know who has sent this comment. So this way, FigJam will help you organize your thoughts and also collaborate in a more effective way with the team. So this is all about the basics of FigJam. In the next video, we will be learning about a very interesting tool in FigJam called as Jambot.
Thanks for watching the video. We will catch up in the next video with some interesting topics. Thank you.